Right now, your blood vessels and liver might be clogged, inflamed, and silently under stress with no warning signs at all. You feel fine until you don't. But a simple glass of natural juice made from 4 humble ingredients may help your body clear toxins, open your arteries, and kickstart natural healing from the inside out. This blend isn't trendy or complicated. It's backed by real science and uses beets, carrots, parsley, and ginger to calm inflammation, lower blood pressure, and restore balance. The real question is not, is your liver working? But it's, what if it's already struggling? And one simple step each morning could change the way you feel, move, and age. Stick with me, because the way you blend this juice affects how much healing power your body actually gets. The 4 ingredients that power your liver and blood vessels. Alright, let's explore the magic behind this juice. These 4 ingredients, plus 1 optional superstar, are like a dream team for your blood vessels and liver. Here's why they're so powerful. Number 1. Beetroot. This vibrant red veggie is a game changer. It's packed with nitrates that boost nitric oxide in your body. What does that do? It relaxes your blood vessels, improves blood flow, and helps your liver detox by supporting its natural enzymes. Think of it as a deep clean for your arteries. Moreover, the betalains in beets work like natural scrubbers, neutralizing free radicals and supporting your body's detox pathways more efficiently.
Supercharged, okay, in this juice. But I'm just going to saute those separately on the side.
Furthermore, research has shown that regular consumption of beetroot juice can significantly lower blood pressure in just a matter of weeks. This remarkable root vegetable doesn't just clean your system, it's actually supporting your cardiovascular system to function more optimally. Number 2. Carrot. Don't underestimate this orange hero. Carrots are loaded with vitamin A and antioxidants that protect your liver cells from damage. They're like a shield, keeping your liver strong and fighting off harmful inflammation. In addition, the beta-carotene in carrots converts to vitamin A in your body, which supports the production of new liver cells and helps repair damaged tissue.
Want to try the best detox ever? You gotta try this out. So probably one of the most important organs for detoxification is the liver. With the help of the gallbladder, the liver filters out toxins that we are exposed to on a day-to-day basis. From the environment, the plastics that we use, food that we consume, chemicals that we use. With the combination of carrot, cucumber, celery, beet, and Granny Smith apple, we are able to detox our liver, which will assist us with weight management, increase energy, clear skin, and improve our gut. This juice tastes great, guys. Let me know what you guys think.
What's more, carrots contain fiber compounds that bind to bile acids in your digestive tract before they can reach your liver, essentially creating a pre-filtering system for your body's main filtration organ. This powerful preventative action means your liver has less work to do in the first place. Number 3. Parsley. This leafy green isn't just a garnish. It's a natural diuretic, which means it helps flush out excess sodium and toxins from your body. Plus, it supports your kidneys, which work hand in hand with your liver to keep you healthy. Interestingly, parsley contains volatile oils such as myristicin, apiol, and eugenol that have been shown to inhibit tumor formation, particularly in the lungs. Beyond that, parsley is rich in chlorophyll, the green pigment that gives plants their color. Chlorophyll has a molecular structure remarkably similar to hemoglobin in our blood, which means it may support natural red blood cell production and improve oxygen transport throughout your body. This synergistic effect amplifies the benefits of the other ingredients in this magical juice blend. Number 4. Ginger. This spicy root is an inflammation-fighting superstar. It soothes your digestion, protects your liver from oxidative stress, and keeps your blood vessels calm and happy. A little ginger goes a long way. Additionally, ginger contains compounds called gingerols and showgales that stimulate digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently and absorb nutrients better. As if that weren't enough, regular consumption of ginger has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels. This creates a protective effect for your entire cardiovascular system, as rapid blood sugar fluctuations can damage blood vessels over time. By including ginger in this juice, you're not just cleansing, you're actively reducing potential damage. Number 5. Tomato. Want to level up? Add a tomato for a dose of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens your arteries and protects your heart. It's like extra armor for your blood vessels. Notably, lycopene is fat-soluble, which means it actually becomes more bioavailable when consumed with a small amount of healthy fat. So consider adding a teaspoon of olive oil to your juice, or consuming it alongside a meal containing healthy fats. This powerful juice combination works on multiple levels, cleansing, protecting, repairing, and strengthening your vital organs. The synergistic effects of these ingredients create a whole that is truly greater than the sum of its parts. By incorporating this magical elixir into your regular wellness routine, you're not just supporting your current health, you're making an investment in your long-term vitality and longevity. Now you know what's inside. Let's blend it up the right way to keep all those healing nutrients alive and potent. Step by step, how to make the liver and blood vessel healing juice. Making this juice is so easy, and you don't need any fancy equipment. Just a blender and a few fresh ingredients. Here's what you'll need for one serving. 1 medium beetroot, peeled and chopped. 1 large carrot, peeled and chopped. 1 small bunch of parsley, about a handful. 1 thumb-sized piece of ginger, peeled. 1 medium tomato, for that heart-healthy lycopene boost. About 70 milliliters of water, adjust to get the consistency you like. Got everything ready? Great, now let's turn these vibrant veggies into a delicious healing drink. 1. First, toss all your ingredients into a blender. Yep, all at once. No need to overthink it. 2. Next, blend on high for about 1-2 minutes until everything is nice and smooth. 3. Once blended, check the texture. If it's too thick for your liking, simply add a splash more water and give it another quick blend. 4. Then, let the foam settle for a minute. Prefer a smoother texture? You can strain the juice through a fine mesh or cheesecloth. 5. Finally, pour it into a glass and enjoy it fresh. Ideally first thing in the morning to kickstart your day with a burst of healing nutrients. And before you make this part of your routine, here's a quick tip to get the most out of it. You've got your healing drink, but is it safe for everyone? Let's quickly check next. Who should be careful or avoid this juice? This juice is amazing for most people, but there are a few folks who should be cautious or check with their doctor first. Here's the rundown. While this juice is packed with healing benefits, it's important to remember that it may not be suitable for everyone. Here are a few cases where you should proceed with caution or consult a healthcare professional. First, people with low blood pressure should be careful. Beets are excellent at relaxing blood vessels, which can further lower your blood pressure. So if yours is already on the lower side, it's best to talk to your doctor before starting. Next, if you're prone to kidney stones, take note. Both beets and parsley are high in oxalates, compounds that can contribute to stone formation in some individuals. If you've had kidney stones before, check in with your healthcare provider before making this juice a regular habit. For pregnant women, moderation is key. Parsley is generally safe in small amounts, but larger doses might stimulate contractions. A little in this juice is usually fine, but it's always wise to double check with your doctor during pregnancy. Also, if you're taking blood thinners, such as warfarin, be mindful. Ginger and parsley can have mild blood-thinning effects, so it's important to get medical advice to avoid any interactions. Finally, for anyone with chronic health conditions, whether it's diabetes, liver disease, heart problems, or anything else, introducing new ingredients can affect your body in unexpected ways. So, a quick consultation with your doctor can help you stay safe and informed. If you're all clear, let's start healing your liver and arteries daily with a 7-day detox challenge. 7-day liver and blood vessel boosting challenge. Ready to feel amazing? This 7-day challenge is designed to supercharge your liver and blood vessels with simple, manageable steps that fit into your daily routine. Let's break it down and take it day by day. For days 1 and 2, start strong by drinking 1 cup of your healing juice every morning. Alongside that, be sure to stay well hydrated by drinking 2 to 3 liters of water throughout the day. This hydration supports your liver and kidneys, helping them flush out toxins more effectively. Moving into days 3 through 5, continue your morning juice and hydration routine. Now, add in 15 minutes of light walking each day. Nothing intense, just enough to get your blood circulating and your body moving. At this stage, also include an extra serving of leafy greens, such as spinach or arugula, during lunch or dinner. These greens give your liver an additional boost in its natural detoxification process. Finally, for days 6 and 7, maintain your juice, water, and walking habits, but shift your focus to food. Prioritize low-salt, anti-inflammatory options like berries, nuts, or grilled fish, and try to steer clear of processed snacks or salty takeout meals. During these last 2 days, pay close attention to how your body feels. Do you notice more energy, clearer skin, better digestion? Jot down your observations. Tracking your progress will keep you motivated and help you stay on course beyond the challenge. By the end of the week, you'll likely feel lighter, more energized, and proud of yourself for taking control of your health. But why does this juice work so well? Let's wrap up with the science behind the healing. Why this juice works, the science behind the healing. So, why is this juice such a powerhouse for your blood vessels and liver? The answer lies in the science behind each ingredient. And don't worry, we'll keep it super easy to understand. Let's start with beetroot, the star of the show. It boosts nitric oxide production in your body, a molecule that relaxes your arteries, improves blood flow, and helps lower blood pressure. Think of it as giving your blood vessels a big, relaxing stretch. Next up is the humble carrot, which is anything but ordinary. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin A, carrots help protect your liver cells from damage and support its natural detoxification processes. You can picture them as tiny bodyguards for your liver. Then there's parsley, often overlooked, but incredibly effective. This vibrant green herb helps flush out excess sodium and toxins from your system, which eases the load on your kidneys and liver. It works like a gentle daily cleanse for your body. Moving on, ginger adds more than just flavor. It's loaded with anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce swelling in your blood vessels and shield your liver from oxidative stress. Think of it as a soothing hug for your insides. And finally, if you choose to include tomato, you'll get a healthy dose of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for strengthening artery walls and protecting your heart. It's like adding an extra layer of insurance for your cardiovascular system. Every sip of this juice delivers a flood of nutrients that work together to cleanse, protect, and support your body from the inside out. Friends, you don't need to rely on expensive pills or risky treatments to feel your best. Just one simple glass a day, made from natural, healing ingredients, can begin to cleanse your body, protect your vital organs, and restore your energy from the inside out. Your blood vessels and liver deserve that kind of care, and so do you. Have you ever tried a detox juice before? Share your experience or favorite ingredient in the comments below. Let's encourage and inspire each other on the journey to better health. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, stay vibrant and stay healthy.